spatchcock quail. Okay, pretty easy. All right, let's go. Now, what is a spatchcock? Spatchcock is when you are taking the backbone of the chicken or any bird. Whenever we do anything berry-like or fruity-like, we serve it with anything that is wild. So quail is going in, nice hot pan. Why we are actually putting the skewers through is to keep the bones or the legs attached, because the legs is only having a piece of skin that keeps it on the body. So yeah, trick of the trade. To putting it on a grill, you are having a Maillard reaction, which means it gives a little bit of caramelization, which adds to the flavor.